Namaste, guys. Welcome back. Let's start our class. The title is Raju Ka Din. I repeat, Raju Ka Din. Raju, our teacher. Raju's day. All right. We'll talk about his daily routine in this chapter. Raju's day, Raju Ka Din. And we know that to talk about someone's daily routine, we use the present simple tense. So now let's go to the lesson story. Let's see what's happening there. Raju is talking about his routine, his daily routine, especially these days when he has the additional responsibility of camp organizer. We know that he's working at the summer camp and he has to oversee, he has to supervise so many activities there, and he has to ensure that everything is running smoothly. All right. So he has a very busy schedule, naturally. So let's go to the sentences. Let's read these sentences first, and then we will discuss the grammar and the structure behind them. Right? Just remember one thing, in this chapter we are talking about external obligation. All right? We have already done should, moral obligation, and must, inner obligation. And now we are talking about has to and have to, external obligation. And for that we use the verb ko padna. Ko, I know it is difficult for you guys to pronounce for English speakers. Ko padna. Ko padna. This is the verb, the indirect verb construction that you will see in this chapter. Let's read these sentences. All right. The first sentence, Raju is saying, आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है. सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है. शाम के 6 बजे तक स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. शाम के 6 बजे तक स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती हैं. सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती हैं. All right, let's read them once more. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है. शाम के 6 बजे तक स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती हैं. Now let's discuss the grammar in these. So now let's discuss these sentences. You might have noticed that in all these 5 sentences, there is a verb in its infinitive form. Before padna. Alright? In the first sentence, it is uthna, to get up or to wake up. In the second sentence, it is karna, to do. In the third, it is rehna, to live, to stay, or to remain. Alright? Se milna, to meet with someone. and the fifth one is देखना. Although here is देखनी, and why has changed, we'll discuss when we will talk about the grammar rules. All right. So the structure is, we can say, go with infinitive with पढ़ना and होना. And all these three components, infinitive form, पढ़ना and होना, will agree with the number and gender of the object. And what if there is no object? Then masculine singular form of padna hona will be used. For example, in the first sentence, आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. आजकल, these days, we have done this. मुझे, जल्दी, soon or early, we have done this as well. उठना, to wake up. पढ़ता है, present simple conjugation, and है. There is no object here. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. These days, I have to get up early. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. Now, this sentence can be made in present continuous as well. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ रहा है. These days I have to get up early. Same meaning, just two different ways to say. आजकल मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ रहा है. Right? Now, second sentence. सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है. Raju, as a camp organizer, he has to check everything. Check करना. Compound verb, check, English word. करना, to check. पढ़ता है. I repeat the sentence. सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है. सब is all. कुछ is some or something. And सब कुछ together is everything. I have to check everything, Raju is saying. शाम के 6 बजे तक स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. शाम के 6 बजे तक. Let's discuss this part first. In the chapter time telling, we have already done शाम के 6 बजे तक. शाम के of the evening. 6 बजे तक till 6 o'clock. सुबह के 4 बजे तक till 4 in the morning. रात के 10 बजे तक till 10 o'clock in the evening or in the night. रात, सुबह, शाम. We have done this. तक is till. Right? शाम के 6 बजे तक till 6 p.m. स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. पड़ता है. राजू हैज़ टू stay back at the school. स्कूल में रहना पड़ता है. राइट. देन बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. मुझे बहुत लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है. बहुत लोग with से मिलना. लोग in its oblique form लोगों से. We have done this so many times. बहुत लोगों से so many. I have to meet so many people. And then सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती है. सब तैयारियां. तैयारी is preparation. तैयारियां preparations. देखनी पड़ती हैं. हैं is plural. Why? Because तैयारियां is plural. Object is plural. In all these sentences, there is no object. Here we have an object. सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती हैं. तैयारियां, तैयारी, singular, preparation, and plural, तैयारियां. देखना because it is feminine as well. So देखना became देखनी. पढ़ता became पढ़ती. सब तैयारियां देखनी पड़ती हैं. I have to oversee all the preparations. सब काम करने पड़ते हैं. काम, सब काम, all the works, all the jobs or all the tasks. I have to do all the tasks here. काम करने, काम is masculine, plural. तो करना became करने, पढ़ता became पढ़ते, and है became हैं. Alright, this is something we have to practice. So these were the 5 sentences. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the other parts of this chapter. So now we are in observe section, and by now I think you guys know that in observe section I add the relevant examples for you guys. So now let's read these sentences, these examples together. उसे बस से स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. उसे बस से स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. I'm writing in Devanagari script because transliteration is already there. उसे बस से स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. Say here is from. We use say with means of transport as well. Bike से, कार से. Alright, बस से. उसे बस से स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. जाना to go. He has to go to school by bus. Right? अध्यापक को बहुत बोलना पड़ता है. A teacher has to speak a lot to teach. I'm doing that. मुझे 2 बजे तक वापस आना पड़ता है. I have to return by 2 o'clock. 2 बजे तक. By 2 o'clock. Alright? वापस आना. आना we know is to come. And वापस आना to come back or to return. वापस आना, वो वापस आ रहा है, he is coming back. वो वापस कितने बजे आ रहा है, at what time he is coming back, right? उसे 4 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ता है, 4 घंटे 4 hours, पढ़ना to study to read, he has to study for 4 hours or she has to study for 4 hours because उसे can be both he or she. हमें हर महीने डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाना पड़ता है, we have to go to the doctor every month. हमें we, हर महीने every month, हर is every. हमें हर महीने डॉक्टर के यहाँ पोस्टपोजिशन at the place of, के यहाँ, डॉक्टर के यहाँ at the place of. हमें हर महीने डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाना पड़ता है. And I have noted here for you. Some people will just say डॉक्टर के जाना पड़ता है. They will skip यहाँ. Right? हमें हर महीने डॉक्टर के जाना पड़ता है. उसे सबके कपड़े धोने पड़ते हैं. धोना, a new verb, to wash. उसे सबके, everybody, सबके कपड़े, clothes, कपड़ा, कपड़ा, cloth and कपड़े, masculine, ending with a, कमरा, कमरे, लड़का, लड़के, कपड़ा, कपड़े, clothes. He has to wash everybody's clothes. Plural, कपड़े, तो पढ़ता became पढ़ते and है in plural as well. Alright? So these were the example sentences. Now remember one thing. पढ़ना is external obligation. Some things we have to do because there is a law or a rule that mandates it, or we have to do it because it is our work, it is our duty to do it, right? Even if we are not doing it wholeheartedly, all right? But we have to do, there we have to use the padna, all right? Now let's go to the next page. Here I have added grammar notes. You can check the extra examples here. All right. I have explained the differences between ko with infinitive and ko with infinitive in relation of ko with padna. All right. What is the difference between inner obligation and external obligation? I have explained it here. You can check this. Then you can check explanation notes, translation. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next